Spanish is correct, you're gonna say Grande, but everybody down here calls it Casa Grande, so I'm just gonna go with what the locals say. But we're at a community called Arroyo Grande, and this is a Scott community, and then there's also Hillstone Homes is also selling models here. So I saw tons of different model options in these communities, everything from 1,300 square feet all the way up to 3,500 square feet. I saw homes with 2 and 3 car garages, and then I also am seeing some homes with some RV garages that I'm excited to show you. The lots are pretty good. So if you're up in the Phoenix Valley and you're looking for homes in the 3s, man, you're gonna struggle. You're gonna struggle to find anything that's new that's gonna have lots this size. The homes start in the low 3s, and the lots range from 6,000, 7,000. I saw one lot that was 9,000 square feet. So pretty cool. You get quite a bang for your buck driving south. Now, obviously, Casa Grande's not for everybody. If you want to be a part of the hustle and bustle and you want to be in the city, probably going to want to stick more closer to Phoenix. But if you want to go somewhere that's a little bit more sleepy, a little more relaxed, this is going to be something that you're going to want to put on your list and check it out. So let's go skate it. Okay, over here on the left, we'll look at in a second, is the new Casa Grande High School. Check it out on Google Maps if you're not in the area. It's amazing. Big open concept, like hundreds of solar panels. It's a stunning build. So again, we got the 2 builders here, and remember, you guys, take a realtor with you if you're going to visit a new build. Otherwise, you're stuck with the builder's realtor, and they actually work for the builder. So they work for the guy selling it to you. So, keep that in mind. Boom, look at that green space. So what are you doing in Arizona if you don't love the green space and love having walking trails and being outside? I mean, that's what it's all about, especially in the wintertime. It's just so nice. It's sunny almost every day, and you can just be outside all winter long. And in a place like this, you can pick up a house on a decent lot and, save a ton of money, and you're still able to enjoy that beautiful Arizona weather. You're not in the traffic. You're not going to be spending an insane amount of money to afford to live. So Casa Grande should definitely be on your radar. And I do think that even if you're, just looking as an investment, I do think Casa Grande is going to offer a great return as it transforms in the coming years and decade. And again, you guys, make sure that whoever you have as a realtor is a good listener. I find that realtors just tell you whatever you want to hear, and then you will have to repeat yourself multiple times to them to get your point across. They're not the best listeners, so find somebody that's going to hear you out and serve you well. And if you don't have one, reach out. I'd love to serve you. I really do believe in sort of the old-fashioned customer service, and I genuinely enjoy helping people, so that's why I'm in this business. So here we are looking at the models here. These are beautiful. They look just as good as anything you'll find up in Gilbert or Queen Creek as far as the new homes go, or Santan Valley. So keep this, like I said, keep this on your radar. And now we're getting into the RV garages. So sort of a newer concept you're seeing more and more, where people either use that for studio space, or they are snowbirds and they park their RV in there. Either way, it's awesome option and great resale. So you can see the beautiful views here. You're definitely getting the feel of being out in the country, but you're still in a neighborhood. You still got kids running around and stuff going on, and neighbors and trick-or-treating and all that fun stuff, so you don't feel like you're out in the boonies by yourself. So my main goal with these videos is always to just offer you help and add value in your home search and give you the feel of what a community's spirit is like. And so hopefully that's been accomplished here. You can't really find that on Zillow or on, say, Google Maps. So hopefully these videos are helping you guys make a great decision. And if you have any questions, or you need to see anything in person or virtually, reach out and I will take great care of you. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Take care.